Hey beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Winnie. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the simplest and easiest way to cut and sew a handkerchief skirt or gown. This is very easy and it is beginners friendly. This skirt has been trending on social media for a while now, and I've been wanting to do a tutorial, so I finally did one. So if this is what you are interested in, definitely keep on watching, like my videos, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new tutorial. And without too much talking, let's get straight to the honey of the video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. To make this skirt or gown, you are going to be needing about 4 yards of fabric, either crepe or ankara. 4 yards should be enough. So I didn't have up to 4 yards, so I decided to make it for my daughter instead, the video that you saw earlier before this. All right, so she's using about a trouser length to make us, but this method that I'm going to be using for our own is the same method that you are going to be using for a older person or anybody at all. That's just the same method. All right, it's still the same thing. This one is just a smaller version of it, and to even make it more clearer to you because you see everything very well. So what I did now was that I divided my waistline into 4. And I am using that to measure my waist circumference at that edge. I folded my fabric into 4 as if I am cutting a 360-degree peplon. All right, so you can also divide your waist by 6.28 to achieve that circumference. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to mark from that point the shortest part that I want, the shortest part that I can take on my skirt or gown. I'm going to mark that, and I'm going to rule that into a straight line. And then on the other side, I'm going to mark the same thing that I marked on this side, on that other side. Make sure that is the same thing. That is how you can achieve a perfect handkerchief skirt. All right, so I'm going to rule that into a straight line also, and you will notice that it's going to intercept in at one point. So that is where my own intercepted that I just circled right now. So once that is done, you just need to cut it out. That is it. That is how simple it is to make an handkerchief skirt. All right, by the time you cut it out, you are done. All right, so what you are going to do next is that you're going to set that aside and cut out the second layer. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to also fold the second layer into 4, just as I have done for the first layer. All right, and then I'm going to take the big one and just use it to mark out the waistline, since the waist is supposed to be the same thing. Yeah, all right, so I'm just going to use the bigger one to mark out the the waist part. So once that is done, I'm now going to measure out 4 inches minus, I'm going to deduct 4 inches from the former length that I measured earlier on both sides. So I'm going to also draw it into a straight line, and then on the other side I'm also going to draw to mark out exactly what I did. So for the bigger one, I used 10 inches, and for this one I used 6 inches. All right, I hope you understand. So once we are done doing that, we are also going to cut it again following the lines that we marked, and that is just it. It's as simple as that. So I was making this for my daughter, so it's not going to be a skirt, it's going to be a gown in our own case. For you, if it's a skirt, you should create a band. You can add elastic, you can add rope, you can use smoking to smoke the waist area, but for this tutorial sake, it's going to be a gown. So what you are going to do is that you are going to open it up on one side so that you can easily sew it all around your waistline, and you can pass your zipper at the right side. So let me just open it up and show you how it is looking, how handkerchief it is looking. All right, see how beautiful it looks. See how you're going to see it very well now. Let me bring up my camera so see how beautiful it's looking. And then what I noticed is that the shorter part that you are going to mark, make sure it's going to cover your bum area very well, because the shorter part is likely to to stay at the bottom area, so make sure that it's covering it well. So I've gone ahead to attach it to the top part of my baby girl's dress, and it was looking really beautiful. So I'm going to finish it up now. So but before I finish it up, let me quickly tell you how to hem it. So you're just going to be taking it, is a square, all right? So you're just going to be taking it one side by one side, just as the square is. That's how you are going to be taking it, and then you are going to be taping it. Don't be confused by the scallop look that maybe it's going to be difficult to fold. No, just take it 4 corner by 4 corner, and then you are going to get it. So I'm going to quickly finish it up, add the zipper and knitting it up, and show you the finished look. So this was the finished look on my baby girl. It looked really beautiful on her, and I really loved it on her. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, kindly give it a like. Don't forget to drop your questions and thoughts in the comment section down below. Till I see you in the next one. I love you and I care. Bye.